Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in cold Manchester. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Hope Village in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So keep on watching. So if you're new to the channel and if you learned something about our beautiful island Jamaica, you can press the subscribe button and also like the video free of cost, and also remember to press the all icon, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So when you're in Hope Village in Manchester, Mandeville, it's about roughly about 9 minutes drive to Mandeville town. Depends on the speed you're driving. Know some beautiful places in Mandeville, you don't hear about them and I get to see them. Maybe I hear someone below a dream house, if they have any land available or anything, I will let you guys know. So we are very close to Melrose Hill bypass. Yeah, some people going to church. So guys, what you think about this beautiful place in Mandeville? So you can leave your comment section. You can leave the comments in the comment section below and let me hear what you think about this area. So when you're in Hope Village, you can stay from right there and see the Melrose bypass, and also you can see the highway that's coming from Maypen to Mandeville. All depends from where you're at in the Hope Village area. So when you're in Hope Village, you can take a drive, go over in the Yam Park. Yeah man, if you want to the yam and saltfish, roast yam and saltfish. Yeah man, if you love that, just take a little drive, go over there. See a lot of hydrant in this area, so I think water is also in this area also, guys. So if anybody see any land in this area, if I see any land for sale, I will let you know, but I think water in this area. So I'm gonna make a right turn. I'll take you back to the entrance of Hope Village. So it's very close to Williamsfield, very small town area. So I'm going to take you all to the town area in Williamsfield, and in Williamsfield that's where you have a police station also, and also an old train station. Also you have a park in the Hope Village area. Yeah, if the kids want to go play, them can go to the Hope Village Park. So I'm gonna make a left turn. So if you make the right turn, will take you all right onto can take you right back to Porus. Also to Melrose Bypass. On your left, you have the Catholic College and also Our Lady of Hope Early Childhood Institution. And in Williamsfield area, I think you have a coffee factory and I also think it's a chocolate. Yes, those look like some peace officer. Yeah man, you have to give them a blind on the road. Big up on yourself and the police, them and soldier, fireman, teacher, doctor, lawyer, soldier, everybody, you know, big up on yourself. Also, big up the farmer them in the place. Big up on yourself. Anyone that watch on my paper, one love and one heart. Thanks for tuning to the channel. Fire Reid, on the Jamaican tour guide. Very positive channel about Jamaica. Yeah man, this channel telling about Jamaica, showing how Jamaica look. So welcome to Williamsfield, very small town area guys. Yeah man, I also think it's a post office down here too. So I want to thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So we are now at Williamsfield roundabout. I'm gonna make a left turn guys. Yeah man, so there so we can get to the pine and anything we want to buy, no ground food. So thank you guys, have a blessed day.